Today we will learn how to make yellow cornflower steamed dumplings. Let's tear one apart and have a look. The skin is thin and the filling is big. Let's start in minced pork. Add a little salt, MSG, Sichuan pepper powder, white pepper, light soy sauce, chicken seasoning, oyster sauce. Once the seasoning is in place, add water in small amounts. Grab the seasoning into the meat and stir in one direction. Stir until fully absorbed, and then add the next time. You can beat it while you're stirring. Finally, stir the minced meat until it is very sticky. Like this, it sticks to your hands, and you can't shake it off. That's it. Then add chopped green onion and minced ginger. Finally, put a little seasoning oil. To lock in the moisture, if you don't know how to fry, just buy this ready-made one, whether it's a vegetarian filling or a meat filling. It's very delicious. Many sisters say that I put a lot of oil, but the filling is not fragrant. You can try the seasoning oil. Usually stir a dish, fry a dish. You get a special taste. Finally, stir it well, and the filling is ready. You can add any vegetables you like, but today I make sauerkraut. Let's add sauerkraut in a while. It smells good today. I use the northeastern sauerkraut of Mike Yoshuan's house. This sauerkraut has a very strong taste. It tastes exactly the same as the one we just marinated. In the countryside, it's all made of yellow and white. Look, there's very little water in it. This bag is enough for 2 or 3 people. I used 2 bags of pickled cabbage today. Look at this pickled cabbage. The quality is very good. If you go home, you can taste it when you pour it out. Don't soak this pickled cabbage. Wash it twice with this water. After washing it, give it a gentle turn and wash it again. Dice the pickled cabbage into small pieces. No need to chop. If you chop it, it's easy to peel. When you eat it, then put it in the meat stuffing. Put the pickled cabbage stuffing in the refrigerator to steam it. Today, we eat yellow cornflower dumplings. This is a caddy of flour. Add 330 milliliters of cold water. Flour. This is sticky corn flour. Just use cold water to mix the flour. The water must be added in small amounts and multiple times. Stir into small particles like this. Then we don't have to rush to knead. If you knead directly, it will be particularly sticky. Cover it with a plastic wrap or plastic bag. Let it relax for about 10 minutes and then knead. The dough time is up. Let's knead the dough again. This way it won't stick to your hands. After it has formed a ball, move it to the chopping board. Look, it sticks to your hands, which is normal because it's sticky corn. Knead it again. Make sure you knead it until it's smooth. When you knead it, if it sticks to your hands, you can spray some cooking oil on it. Be sure to spray it with your hands. Then you don't have to wake up this dough. Just rub it into a long strip. The dough for steamed dumplings is a little bigger than the dumplings for dumplings need all the dough. And put it in a plastic bag. To prevent it from drying out, roll it into a thin crust with an arc in the middle. The yellow corn flour should be a little thicker than the dumpling skin of the white flour. Then make the filling. Use a filling spoon to smear it flat. We can wrap it according to our own method. It can be like a hawk. A pinch is a dumpling. After everything is done, put it in a steamer. Put the water on the pot and steam for 10 minutes. The dumplings out of the pot. Look at this big dumpling. The skin is thin and the filling is big. It's juicy and it's delicious. If you like it, just subscribe it and share it.